welcome to my page. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and I'd like to say thank you for stopping by. Some of the things you might find on my page are whole food plant-based recipes where I'm in the kitchen showing you just how simple and easy it is to lose weight and live healthy with a whole food plant-based diet. You might also find me on the farm with my wife or our two English bulldogs, Bella and Bubbles, where we are working to produce greens for local restaurants in the Richmond, Virginia area. A little bit about myself. I was a college football player, but in 2014, I actually broke my back and had a career-ending injury. So I was sitting there fat and sick and overweight and wondering what I should do. And at that point in time, I stumbled upon a whole food plant-based diet. I was the first to jump on board shortly after my wife came aboard. And over the course of a year and a half, I've lost over 100 pounds. And recently my parents and my little sister have jumped on board as well with the whole food plant-based diet. They've both lost around 100 pounds and my sister's about 50 pounds. So we're all enjoying the whole food plant-based diet, and we all enjoy these recipes that I show you how to do on my channel. I hope you guys really enjoyed the videos. If you do, hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with whatever's happening on the farm and all the new recipes coming out of the kitchen. Like I said, I'm Plant-Based Gabriel. I hope you guys enjoy the videos and have a wonderful day.